Using comparison operators. You can compare one value to another using comparison operators, and the result will be true or false. You can use the following comparison operators: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's see how these operators are used. Enter the following code and run it. One is equal to 1. Equal to, true, because 1 is equal to 1. 2 is not equal to 1. Not equal to, because true, because 2 is not equal to 1. 2 is greater than 1. Greater than. True, because 2 is greater than 1. 1 is less than 2. Less than. True, because 1 is less than 2. 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to. True, because 1 is greater than or equal to 1. And 2 is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to. False, because 2 is not less than or equal to 1. Now let's run our code. Notice I am using the print function. So let's go ahead and run the code. And as you can see, the first 5 return true, and the last one returns false.